you will never feel ready for a job interview. Yes, this is true. So recently, one of my students asked me, okay, Pramod sir, I have the knowledge. Basically, I want to apply for a manual testing role, right? I have gone through all the concepts that you have basically taught us, right? I have gone through the courses that you have basically taught us, right? But I don't feel ready. Should I go with the interview or not? Should I reschedule it because I got an opportunity? Should I go with it, or should I basically wait or reschedule it for some other time, right? Many of already you have these kind of problem where I am pretty sure you will never feel ready for any kind of a job interview, right? If that's so, in this video I'm going to discuss about one of the important principle that I have learned. Trust me, it is one of the important one. Why I call this, which is 70% is perfect and 100% is failure. What exactly it means, Pramod? It means that, so basically this is one of the principles that I have learned from one of my mentors, that whenever you are 60 to 70% ready, right, it means you are on a perfect zone to take some action. Which means, see, if you want to reach something, if you want to reach to a 100% level, right, it takes almost like X amount of time or X amount of efforts to reach to a 60 to 70%, right? But that 70% to 100%, right, it takes almost like 2x of efforts. So why you are waiting for that 2x effort? Rather than, what you can do is, whatever that you have worked on with the X, if you think you are ready with the 60%, then you can start applying. You can apply this principle into your real life also, right? So let me tell you one of the important story of myself, right? So when I was a manual tester, right, I was just reading about the API testing and all, right? So in API testing, I was well aware about the how APIs work, what are the different types of API, how to test them in Postman, right? But I was worried because I didn't know API automation at that time. But the next company where I was hired, they actually wanted someone who had a knowledge of manual API testing at that time. So I thought, okay, but I am only 50% or 60% ready. Should I go with the interview or not, right? So this was the question which was coming in my mind. Trust me, I thought about it like 4 days. And after that, I thought, let's give it a try. And with my almost 50% of the knowledge of API testing, I was able to crack that interview. And after that, in that company, I learned the API automation. So learning, the reason why I'm telling you all this is that, guys, don't wait for 100%, because 100% overall is a perfection, which is a failure. Nobody is perfect. Whenever you think you are 60%, 50% ready with all the concepts, if you know the topics, if you have followed a proper roadmap, trust me, it is time for you to take or basically give any kind of a job interview, right? I hope that makes sense. Please remember this principle. This is one of the important principles that I have basically explained to my students, or premium member students also, right? This is one of the principles that I teach in Automation Tester Blueprint also, right? All right. So I hope this makes sense. I hope you will be using this principle, and trust me, it is beneficial for you. You will never feel ready for job interview. But if you think you are 40 to 50% around this, if you in that range you are ready, go for it. Trust me, you will be able to crack it. All right, like and subscribe for these kind of videos, and just comment part 2. I will create more videos around these principles. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.